Superfun Beach Resort is where it's all about, and of course we're by the pool deck and I'm enjoying myself. We're going to talk about our celebrity interview this week, and this man, he's known for hits like This I Promise You and Heaven. Trust me, the man is talented. We're talking about Daville, and of course you guys want to get familiar with the man, so stay tuned right here to Pree Dis. Check it out.
I was feeling down, feeling all alone. But when I heard your voice, I just couldn't hold back the feeling.
Talk to us about the new songs that you're promoting at this time.
Yeah, well, I have a couple of new songs, you know what I mean? Blowing up my phone, you see me? Kind of a more pop fuse track. Yeah, and I think I'll ring the alarm. A next pop fuse track. And I will have When I'm With You. You know what I mean? For all Daville fans, them have been supporting Daville from a long time. I don't know, so I can't leave out to look at one job.
You mentioned about pop fuse tracks. Is this a new direction for Daville?
It's not really a new direction, no, Daddy. It's just a direction where Jamaica never really too familiarized with. You see me? Because I've been doing different kind of music from a long time. But you don't know, you come from the time when Daville used to sing dancehall and, you know what I mean? All of the talks we know them, my girl is make me see you lion. And them something there. To me saying, always on my mind. You know what I mean? So when I start singing, always on my mind and them something there, the people them start gravitate to the thing. 100% hands on. Yeah, from a long time. It's not even now. Cause before I really get the break, you know what I mean? Whenever I really to involve in the thing like that, but just used to move from studio to studio, advise a different producer. And it wasn't until when I decided, so, okay, you know what, enough is enough. I have the knowledge. I grew up in the thing. I have the skills. I know where it take. Forget the thing done. I'm going to start apply it now to myself. Then I realize, say, you know what I mean? I have it. It's right here. You see me? So, from 11, my first production, come right up to where you're here now. I have hands on, 100%. I will not leave out the other people that have hands on to car. You don't know Jay, you know, is a very integral part of the whole spectrum of Daville thing.
Go back in time, the days of ARP. What was the deciding factor that made you decide to go solo?
Deciding factor to go solo. Everything have a time, yeah, back it up a little bit. Yeah, everything have a time where, you know, you have to evolve. You know what I mean? Life is like that. You do the group thing for a number of years. And then you find, say, after a time, it gets stagnant away. Yeah, to the point where, you know, because I have so much musical energy inside of me, it's like me I try to find different ways now and different pathways to basically express myself. You see me? At the time, the group never really move according to how I expect the thing to move, because we'd fall in a pattern where management will never have that. You see me I say? And certain things never to set on a level. So now I start check off into some one-away thing. And so I end up a penthouse now and do a one thing for Donovan Germain. You see me? And it go out and the people them gravitate to it, and from there so I do a thing with my sacrifice name all my life. Comes a boom and jump on the chart for the first time. You see me? And I just get the bug. I think I'll solo bug.
How do you think you have evolved over the years?
Yeah, well, you don't know. You see it, you know what I mean? Musically, you can hear it in my music. You understand? In terms of music, we get more keen on the business aspect of the whole thing. And we have knowledge now on a different level where, you know, we never had before when it comes down to constructing a song, you know what I mean, and putting a production together that the people can surely get value for the money. You see me? And apart from that, I've learned that within this business, you can't take certain things too personal. Because once you're in the business, you have to just know, say, cut short, crab in a barrel, you know what I mean, bad mind, grudgeful, and all these things exist in this business. No unity, no togetherness, no you and me. You see me? So that's why Daville just take himself one away and just do him thing. When I watch people and what people are do, what people are say. You see me? I've learned that you have to be your own man and construct your own part You understand? And God show life and just give Father God the praise and for all the blessings and things. You see me? So I'm gonna take things personal more. One time, sick take over. You see me as I will pray all for different things, but with a smile now. Even though sick still there, no, but daddy, sick still there, but other two make him come out too much. You see me? Daddy, big up yourself. Love goes out to you. You know what I mean? Of course, because if it wasn't for my father still, maybe there wouldn't be a Daville right now. You see me? When I said that, I said that to actually say this. As I look at you growing up in my household, and me grew up in a music was a constant part of my household. My father used to bring home crazy tapes. Crazy artists used to come around. When I was a little youth, I was in the midst of people like, Tristan Palmer, Little John, Rankin Ty, Early B, Super Cat. The whole of them man there. Peter Metro, the whole of them man there. I grew up as a little youth, seeing my father and all these people. Leroy Smart, the whole of them. I link. And it's a brother who bring home a tape recorder them and thing from the studio and thing. And I used to hide and stink them out and play them and listen to them in no time. I sing a couple songs. You see me? So I think I really got that injection there. That look of musical thing there. I look at something there from my father.
This is the life. I'm enjoying myself, and I'm sure that you guys would have the same fun if you were here with me. But right now we're going to talk about the soca season. You know, it has intensified in the Caribbean. Everybody's excited about the soca season. Just in case you're not entirely sure like where to go, what to do, the weekend is coming around and you have to do something. Check out the Pree Dis Events calendar because we have that all covered for you guys, So you know you want to check that out. I don't know why they're wetting me up, They're wetting me up right now. I'm going to go in the water to get them back. So this Pree Dis Events calendar, check it out. Hey! What? Hey! What? If you're just tuning in and you're not entirely sure what is going on, we're at the Superfun Beach Resort and Spa right here in Runaway Bay. And trust me, you're booking a vacation, this is the place to be. Beach, pool, food, liquor, all inclusive. That's all you need to know. So what we're going to just take a short commercial break and we'll get back. We have a lot more in store for you. Pree Dis after these short messages.